Hi, good morning, traders. Welcome to Analysts on Demand. We do have some fundamental announcements happening in a few minutes. So let's just see what's actually happening. I do have Forex Factory on. Um, uh, we have some stuff coming out from Germany. Import prices. We have the French consumer spending. We have German unemployment, and we have the M3 money supply, private loans, Spanish HPI. So guys, if you do want to have a little bit more in-depth read, if you go on to Forex Factory, there are details in there, so you can ask, you can sort of have a read through of what the sentiments are, what's been like previously, what the forecasts are, etc. So and what the realities are from the forecast. So just be mindful of those. Okay, let's just see what general direction the charts are heading into. Let's just clear all these off. All right, so we can just run through them quite quickly. Oops, wrong one. There we go. Okay, so we have the Euro USD, and so yeah, this is just a quick whiz through with our fibs to figure out what direction the charts are heading into, or what directions the charts are in, so we can for those who don't actually like hedging, you can actually just use it in sort of the direction of the actual trend. If that is what works for you. Okay, you can see at the moment it's in a down ABCD, heading down to the D extension. Okay, and let's just look at our quick BI tool to see what the depth is. You think your USD is about 60 pips daily trading range? Let's have a quick look and just double check that. That's Euro USD. Yep, it's about 60. So we know more than likely, unless it breaks sort of this little downtrendy, we're expecting it to go down 60 pips. Yeah. At the moment, it's looking like a downward move. All right, let's go next chart. Euro New Zealand. Delete all. All right, let's see what's happening. Sometimes my eyes, I don't think that they're the strongest. So I always like having those lines to be sure. Okay, so it looks like it's in a downtrend. Let's see, let's hit that D here. There we go. And all right, looks like it's going to take out that D, so we're going to start with the new trend. A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D. Okay, we're looking at a deep retracement at the moment. Let's see how deep. Not quite an 86%, but not far off. So looking at it around here now. Whoops, 2.7 around here now. Hasn't gone any higher. Excellent. Oops, it does. It has. That's hit the 86%. Yep. Again, it's in a downtrend. So we are expecting it to go down. The other option is that it will take out that A. Again, it's another one to be mindful of. I would prefer the down move. More than likely, the reason I've actually said that is because a down move makes more sense for me. Mainly because our ABs don't actually change until the A gets taken out, and the A hasn't been taken out. So and it looks like at 86%, the range will be, we have 215 pips in a downward move. Again, so I would prefer it. I know the market has been moving up quite a lot, but it hasn't taken out the A, so I'm favoring a down move for that Euro New Zealand. All right, let's move down to JPY. Okay, it looks like it's going to take that out. Let's just start from here. Okay, A to B, C to D, A to B, C to D, A to B, C to, yeah, what's that? So I think it's this one. I don't think it's this one. No, definitely not. Okay. Okay, again, we're in a down move. Let's just put it up again. As well here you could see there's a nice counter trend line break that's actually happened. Again, it's broken through, it's come back and tested, and it's heading back down. So again, Euro JPY in a down move. Let's look at the Euro GBP. I wouldn't know what charts or trades you guys are in, so let's see this. I'm just gonna run through them as quickly as I can to see what's there. Okay, so it's been taken out. There we go. Be down here. Okay, everybody does know the reason why we're looking at the ABCDs when we're just before fundamental, or I mean, we'd like to know where our ABCDs are anyways. Just before trade would work just as well, only because if you're not much of a hedger, or you just want to place one directional trade, again for equity management, you want to know what your best trade would come from, or more than likely where the market will take you. So I tend to do it only because I think everyone tends to do it because it's best practice. I don't doubt that in the least that some of you run through charts and sort of just before a fundamental go, yeah, let's just hedge it, and if your equity management holds true, I prefer picking a few good trades I know are more than likely going to work than picking a whole load of trades that aren't going to go anywhere, so, or would go completely crazy because I'm not sure what the direction would be. Okay, there we go. Oops. I love this magnet tool. Makes life so much easier when you're trying to figure out your trades. Again, our Euro GBP is in a downtrend. It is moving back up. It has hit some resistance, and again, it looks like it's hitting some resistance around that B high. It did get some resistance and is pushing back up from the 2.7. Again, it's in a downtrend. I would favor a downtrend move, as it has hit a 382, so there's not a big necessity for it to go all the way back into the AB boundary. Generally, it does go back to the AB boundary from where it is, but you do have a 75 pip move. And the Euro GBP, we're looking at 34 pips. It's quite a small trading range. So yeah, I wouldn't be one of those that I'd get much excitement in trading. It's my honest answer on that one. There we go. Euro Swiss franc. Looks like it's in an uptrend, but let's just verify that. Yep, it does look like it's in an uptrend. Alright. A to B, C to D, A to B, C to D, A to B, C to D. Oops, that's not right. Okay, A to B, C to D. If I didn't have those 15 minutes, I would start marking up my trades, because I do think it is best practice to mark up your trades. It makes things a little bit more visual. As you can see, the Euro Swiss franc is in an uptrend, has broken a up trend line, up counter trend line. Again, you can see it bounced off and is shooting back up. Again, I don't think that's one of the big trading range charts, but let's just have a quick look. Swiss franc, 22 pips. Again, not one of those that I'll actually pay much attention to. If you know the daily trading range is 22 pips, why on earth would you do it? But again, I would like to show you so you have an idea. All right. Okay. That looks like a crazy move. Let's just double check this crazy move. There we go. Euro CAD. Down move. That big swing right there. Okay, running out of time. But let's see if I can try and catch this. Again, the euro looks like a downward move. In the next video, we'll go and do some setups before the announcement. So again, a downtrend move. We're looking at around 85 pips for that move. Again, a down move. It looks like a solid down move from here. So oops, wrong tool right there. All right, yeah, it does look like a solid move heading down. Doesn't look like it's going to be breaking it anytime soon.